All right, so we got the next gun in the collection. Some of y'all will know what this is, but for y'all that don't, this is the Glock. This is the Glock 23. It's more of a, I think we would call it a mid-size. It's not the big one. I think that's the Glock 22, but this is the 23. No mag, empty. All right. And what I also did with this, as you can see, I put the extended slide drop on there, put the extended mag release, and I got an O light. So with this light, it's got a green light as well. But it also has the light inside, if you can see it. Let's see. I think you saw, yeah, right there. You can hold it and let it go. But yeah, this is Glock 23. I put the sights on it as well. The suppressor height sights. I think it's a Merit Glow. I really haven't did too much to this one. I've been thinking about dropping it off, get some custom to it. This is actually the first one the first pistol, firearm, gun, whatever you want to call it, that I picked up some time ago. But yeah, I think it's a Generation 3, if I'm correct. And this is the O-Light also, same one, just like on the FN. It came with 2 13-round magazines. Yep, 2 13 rounds. And then I bought this 30 round, this aftermarket. I think one of the problems with the buying aftermarket instead of OEM Glock or Magpul is sometimes when you fill this all the way up, it has failure to load. So if you're buying magazines, I would say get either a factory Glock or get Magpul. I mean, it's your gun. I mean, as long as whatever you have, make sure you try it, take it to the range. Let me see. And this is, I just wanted to compare the sizes of, this is like I said, this is a 31 round. And this is the AKV, the Palmetto State AKV, Palmetto State Armory, AKV. So regular, this comes with a 35 rounds. And then you add that, it'd be 15, so that's a 50 rounder. I just wanted to compare the size. So this one, 50 rounds, this one, 31. So just food for thought. And like I said, this is a little heavy. Like I said, it's a 40 caliber. I think I didn't tell you, but you can see it. It's a 40 caliber, not a 9mm. And so, yeah, when you shoot this, it's got more of a bite than say 9mm, as everyone should know. But yeah, this was the first one that I picked up. And I probably wouldn't advise others to pick this one up as your first because it was that hard to handle, being that was my first pickup. And so I wasn't really ready for it. Didn't really think that it was going to be, didn't know if it was going to be that bad. But yeah, now perfectly. Took it to the range a couple times. And yeah, it's a lot better now. Like I said, I think it's a Glock Gen 3 because it doesn't have the front serrations like back here. Doesn't have, it has a little part. I think in the box, it has some more of the things. I forgot to bring the box, but it's not really much in the box. It's a lock. What else? A lock. Couple of in the papers, the same boxes that I showed with the other one, so it's not like you're missing out on anything. But yeah, you see it, the AmeriGlow. I like it. Hope it comes in. Yep, see that right there. And it's real easy, you know, because the original ones that come are plastic. I didn't know. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos, and so that's why. Now these are metal, and I can use them. I can rack it on my belt or somewhere else just in case. Let me see. Take it off. So just so you can see it without the light. I mean, everybody pretty much knows what a Glock looks like, but yeah. Is that a, no, it's something I need to wipe it off. But yeah, it's easy takedown. Glock, one of the most known firearms. But yeah, this is the next in the collection. Yep. Enjoy that one too.